Imagine a world where you could buy anything from anywhere, just with a few clicks, from a small online bookstore in a settled garage to one of the most powerful tech giants in the world. This is the story of Amazon. But how did a company that started with books change the way of entire world shops? And what makes the Amazon not just a company but a way of life? Today we will take you on a journey through the rise of Amazon, a journey of risk, innovation and obsession with the customer's experience. In 1999, a man named Jeff Bezos made a bold decision. He left his cushy Wall Street job, moved to Seattle and began working on a crazy idea, an online bookstore. At the time, the internet was a mysterious place, but Bezos had spotted an opportunity. Book sales were a $10 billion market in US at that time, and there was no reason it could be moved online. Bezos knew that an online bookstore could offer customers far more than any physical store could. He could stock millions of titles that no traditional bookstore could ever hope for carry. With just his idea, Bezos set up a bookshop in his garage, and Amazon.com was born at that time. But in 1995, when Amazon officially launched, it was not a smooth sailing. In fact, it was a race against time. Amazon's beginnings were anything but glamorous. Bezos and his small team working long hours, packing books themselves and driving packages to the post office in middle of the night. But their hard work paid off. In just its first month, Amazon sold books in all 50 US states and 45 countries around the world. Bezos was obsessed with one thing: customer service. He knew if Amazon could deliver better services, faster shipping, and more variety than any other competitor, it would become the unbeatable. The company's mantra became "Get big fast." And that's exactly what Amazon did. It went public in 1997, and by 1998, it was already expanding its offering beyond the books, selling music and movies. But here's where things get really interesting. Jeff Bezos was not satisfied with that. While the competitors like eBay, Barnes and Noble tried to outdo Amazon by focusing on their own strength, Bezos had a different vision. He was not just building a bookstore, he was building a everything store. Over the years, Amazon began adding more and more products like electronics, clothes, toys, even the groceries. Bezos reinvested nearly all the company's profit back into the business, expanding infrastructures and technology. And in 2005, Amazon introduced a game-changing idea that was Amazon Prime. For a small annual fee, customers could get free 2 days shipping on millions of products. Prime was not just a shipping service, it became a loyalty program, and it worked. Today there are over 200 million Amazon Prime members worldwide, and they spend nearly twice as much as non-members on Amazon. But here's where the genius of Jeff Bezos really shines. He did not stop at the e-commerce. In 2006, Amazon launched Amazon Web Series, a cloud computing platform that is now a backbone for the internet. What started as a way to support Amazon's own operations turned it into a massive business that now powers everything from Netflix to NASA. Today, Amazon Web Services generates billions of revenue each year and is now one of the most profitable divisions for the Amazon. So what makes Amazon so successful? 2 words: customer obsession. Bezos did not just want to meet the customer expectations, he wanted to exceed them, from developing algorithms that recommended products to launching services like Amazon Echo and Alexa. Amazon continues to innovate in ways that keep customers coming back. And what was another innovation? That was Amazon Fulfillment Centers. These massive warehouses are powered by the cutting-edge technology, including the robots that pick, pack, and ship products. This level of efficiency allows Amazon to process millions of orders each day, offering same-day or next-day delivery in many regions. Today, Amazon is valued at over $1 trillion, and it's more than just a company. It's an ecosystem of products and services that touch nearly every part of our lives. Whether you are streaming on a movie and a Prime Video and asking Alexa to play a music, or ordering groceries, Amazon is there. But this success is not happened overnight. It took relentlessness, focus, bold innovation, and willingness to fail. As Amazon continues to expand into new territories like healthcare or even in a space exploration, one thing is clear here that Jeff Bezos' vision is far from over. So what's next for Amazon? Only time will tell you about that. But if the history has shown us anything, it's that Amazon will continue to shape the future of how we should live, work and shop. So thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Amazon journey, make sure to hit the bell icon button and subscribe for more fascinating business stories. Let us know in the comments which company's success story you would like to hear in the next video.